Today I am going to spend some time showing you the relationship between multiplication and division. So just like addition and subtraction are related, multiplication and division are also related. What do you mean related, Miss Bales? Well, I can use two addition facts and two subtraction facts to show how the numbers 7, 8, and 15 are related. Do you remember what we call this? A fact family. So just like with addition, we can use fact families with multiplication and division as well. Okay, so let's dive right in. I have an array here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. In each row, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, there are 7 dots. So it's 4 by 7. And I know 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 more is 21, plus 7 more is 28. Just like with addition, order does not matter in multiplication. So I could turn my array and I'll still be using the same numbers. So just like here, I'm gonna flip-flop them. So I have 4 times 7. My next fact will be 7 times 4. Does the product change? No. So we're halfway through our fact family. What was the opposite of multiplication again? It wasn't addition. It wasn't subtraction. Thank you. Division. So, just like in a subtraction problem, when I divide, I'm going to start with my total, the whole. How many dots did I have? Well, I had 28. Altogether, there are 28 dots. I'm going to put them into groups, equal groups. There's 4, there's 4, there's 4, there's 4, there's 4, there's 4, there's 4. How many groups do I have? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I took my 28. I put them into 7 groups. The final number is going to be how many are in each group. Well, this one has 4, this one has... They all have 4. For my last fact, I have 2 multiplication. I need a second division fact. Just like with our addition and subtraction facts, we just need to flip it, guys. So I'm going to take 28, and now instead of dividing it by 7, I'm going to divide my 28 into groups of 4. Well, there's a group of 4, there's a group of 4, there's 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. Now my answer is going to be how many groups do I have all together? I have 7. So you can see 7 is used in each fact. 4 is used in each fact. And 28 is used in each fact, creating a fact family. Let me show you another one. In this one, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows this time. And in each row, 1, 2, 3, there are 3. All together, I have 18. So I need to use the numbers 6, 3, and 18 in a fact family. I'm going to have 2 multiplication facts. I'm going to have 2 division facts. So, my first multiplication fact. I can use the information how I see it. Well, 6 rows with 3 in each row gave us a total of 18. Now, flip it. So our 3 will come first. 3 columns with 6 in each column. My total doesn't change. For our division facts, we start with the biggest of the numbers. 3, 6, or 18. Obviously, 18 is the biggest. So for both division facts, I want to start with that 18. For my first one, let's take 18 and put it into 3 groups. Putting my 18 into 3 groups. How many do I have in each group? Well, it should, since it's a fact family, be 6 in each group. Let's check to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're so smart. And for my last one, now I'm going to take my total 18. I'm going to put them in 6 groups. How many would go into each group? 3. So again, I have the same numbers. 6 times 3 equals 18. 3 times 6 equals 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So once we know one fact, we are on our way to knowing 3 more facts because they make a fact family. See if you can help me out with this one. So I know when I see my array like this, and I want to make a fact family, I'll have 2 multiplication and 2 division facts. I have 1, 2, 3 rows. How many are in each row? There are 5 in each row. How many do I have altogether? Good. I have 15. So, if I was flipping these 2 numbers for my second multiplication fact, instead of 3 times 5, what will my second multiplication fact be? Did you say 5 times 3? I hope so, because that's all I do. I just flip them around. The 5 times 3 What was my product? Oh, look it. If I know this one, I know this one. The product won't change because my factors haven't changed. I'm still having 3 times 5. No matter which way you flip it, there's always 15 total dots there. So, how many total dots? Well, I just said there are 15. If I put them into 3 groups, boop, 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 I have 5 in each group. If I put them into 5 groups, well, I've got 3, I've got 5, I've got 15. Got 5, I've got 3, I've got 15. 15, 3, and 5. 15, 5, and what number's missing? I could draw a picture and solve 15 divided by 5. Or I could just use this brilliant brain in my head and see that the number that's missing is a... Yes! 3! So, just like with addition, numbers, when we're working with multiplication and division, they belong in a fact family. We're gonna get better at this because this will help us memorize our multiplication facts. And that is one of our biggest goals for 3rd grade. So I hope you learned something new.